Good morning, student. We have started chapter number 12, areas related to circles. It is part number 3. Now we have discussed some properties related to areas of the circles about segment and sector. Now using that formulas and property, we are going to solve some example from exercise number 12.2. So let start. So here from exercise number 12.2 we are going to some examples. Unless stated otherwise, use pi is equal to 12 by 22 by 7. Means if there is given that value of pi 3.14, then we are going to take that value, otherwise we are going to take the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 that we are doing. Now let question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Here given that minute hand of a clock is length of 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So we are going to, as we know that with center the minute hand moving on clock, and it swept 5 minutes. So now we are going to solve, we are going to find the area swept by this minute hand. So let solution. Here you can, we know that in 1 hour the minute hand rotates 360 degree. As you can see in the figure, such like this minute hand in 1 hour the minute hand rotates 360 degree. By that way, in 5 minutes minute hand will rotate as 360 divided by 60 into 5, which is equal to 30 degree. So a minute hand rotates 30 degree in 5 minutes. So we have the degree of angle subtended at its center of. So let we can find the area swept by the minute hand. As therefore the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes will be the area of a sector. As you can see, the minute hand acquired the area of sector. So let the area of the sector of 30 degree in circle of 14 centimeter radius, that is area of sector of angle theta, is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square, that is we know. So let area of sector of 30 degree is equal to 30 by 360 degree into 22 by 7, that is value of I is not given, so we take value of pi is 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. In hence we are going is equal to 22 upon 12 into 2 into 14. That at the last we can get answer 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. So it is area that minute hand swept in 5 minutes with degree 30. So let we can solve some example, different example. Therefore the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Question number 7. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. So here solution. As you can see in the figure, given that a chord ST, here we have taken chord ST of radius 12 centimeter. The radius is given, OS and ST is 12 centimeter, and an angle of 120 degree. Total angle subtended at center is 120 degree. Find the area corresponding segment. This means we are going to find the area STU. STU area means this segment area we are going to find. For that, we first find the area of this sector OSUT, this sector. After then, we subtract the area of this isosceles triangle. We subtract this isosceles triangle from the area of sector, and then we can find the remaining part as segment. So for that, let we draw one perpendicular passing through center O on ST, and we know that it divides ST in two equal parts. So SV is equal to SVT, and also this perpendicular is a bisector of angle SOT. So here SOV and TOV are equal, that is of 60 degree. So let now using the trigonometric function, we can find the value of OV and SV. Now first we take with the angle cos theta. As we know that cos theta is given by hypotenuse divided by this adjacent angle to this adjacent side to this angle. So let we can find OV, and sin theta, that we can find hypotenuse divided by opposite side of this angle. So we by that way we can find both the side. Solution: let us draw perpendicular OV on a chord ST. It will bisect the chord ST. SV is equal to VT in triangle OVS. OV divided by OS means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by OV OV, that is the side divided by hypotenuse. So here cos theta is equal to 60 degree. Cos theta is equal to 60 degree. So OV divided by 12 is equal to 1 over 2. We here take cos theta 60, cos 60 is equal to 1 over 2. We take value cos 60 is 1 over 2. OV is equal to 6 centimeter. OV is equal to 6 centimeter. Now SV upon hypotenuse OS. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is sin theta. Sin 60, the value of sin 60 is square root 3 by 2. That we know. So we can find value of SV is 6 into square root 3 centimeter. Now SV is 6 into square root 3 centimeter. So ST is a twice of SV. So ST is equal to 2SV, which is equal to 2 into 6 square root 3 is equal to 12 square root 3 centimeter. So we have the value of chord. So now we want to subtract this triangle from the sector. So we have to find the value of this isosceles triangle. So it is altitude and it is base. So we have value of altitude and base. So we can find the value of this triangle. Area of triangle OST, half of base ST into altitude OV. So by that way we can find the value of area. That is, also we have given the value of square root 3. Here given the value of here square root 3 is equal to 1.73. So we just put the value here and we find by multiplying we find 62.28 centimeters square. It is area of this triangle. Now we subtract this area from the area of this sector. So area of sector OSUT OS U and T is equal to 120 degree divided by 360 degree into pi into 12 square. Value of pi is given here 3.14. So by that way we can find the value of OS UT is 150.72 centimeters square. Now we want to find the value of segment STU. So that we subtract area of segment SUT is equal to area of OSUT minus area of triangle OST. That is 150.72 minus 62.28, that is equal to 88.44 centimeter square. Now here given in one figure that one horse is tied with the leg at the one corner of this square farm. So now we want to find the area that a horse can graze. So let given that a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of square shaped grass field of side 15-meter by means of a 5-meter long rope. So here given that it is its side is 15-meter, means it's a square farm. So now the area that we know that here the length of the rope is 5 meter. So he can graze 5 meter long from this leg. So he can graze this area, that is a type of one sector. It is a sector, and we know that this angle is 90. This angle is 90. So we can find the area that horse can graze, and also given that the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze, that we are going to find, and also the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10-meter long instead of 5-meter. So if we increase the length of this rope, so now the area can horse can graze is will be this area. So increased area, we want to find the increased area, means this area is increased. Here the given this area will be increased, so we want to find this area. So we subtract this small sector from this big sector. So by that way we can find this increased area. So using that method we can solve. So here given figure 90 degree is angle and 5-meter the length of the rope. From the figure it can be observed that the horse can graze a sector of 90 degree in a circle 5-meter radius. Area that can be grazed by horse is equal to area of sector OACB. So which is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square, and putting this value we can find 1/4 into 3 into 14 into 5 square, that is equal to 19.625 meter square. This is the area that a horse can graze. Now we are going to increase the length of rope 5 to 10 meters. So increased area, we want to find increased area, that we just subtract the small sector from the increased sector. So area that can be grazed by the horse when length of rope is 10-meter long, that is 90 degree divided by 360 degree into pi into 10 square. That why we can find it is area is 78.5 meter square. Now increased area, how can we find increased area in grazing? That area of with radius 10, area of sector with radius 10 minus area of sector with radius 5 centimeter, we can find the area increased 500 58.875 meter square. So it is area increased after we increased length of the rope. Now we are given that one brooch, as you can see in the figure, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of circle with diameter 35 meter. Now here you can see that the silver wire used to make its circumference and also its diameter is 35 meter. So circumference, we know that how can we find the circumference, that is the formula 2 pi r. So with silver wire its circumference is made. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle in 10 equal sector, as you can see in the figure. So here 1 diameter, 2 diameter, 3 diameter, 4 diameter and 5th diameter. So also silver wire used to make these 5 diameters. So if you want to find the length of the silver wire used to make these circumference and also diameter, this 5 diameter that divides in equal 10 parts. So we just find the value of diameter, and after then we find the value of diameters, 5 diameters, and also we find the circumference, and we take just sum of these circumference and diameter, that we can find the way silver wire used to make this brooch. The total length of the silver wire is required, that we are going to find the area of each sector of the brooch. So we are going to find area. So here 10. So angle, how can we find the angle of this area? We know that the total angle is 360 degree. So just we divide 360 by 10, then the angle of this sector will be 36 degree. So just by that, using all the things, we can find these two questions. So let solution. The total length of wire required will be the length of 5 diameters and the circumference of the brooch. So radius of circle 35 by 2 mimi is given here, millimeter. So let circumference of the brooch is given by 2 pi r, in the sense that we can find 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2, that is 110 millimeter. It is the circumference that used to make this used silver wire to make this circumference. Now length of required wire required is equal to 110 millimeter, and also the length of 5 diameters, that is 5 into 35, and hence the total length that is used to make circumference and diameters of silver wire is 110 plus 175 is equal to 285 millimeter. It is the required silver wire to make this brooch. Now we want to find the area of sector. It can be observed from the figure, as you can see in the figure, that each of 10 sectors of the circle is subtending 36 degree at the center of the circle. How? As we discussed that the total angle is 360. So just, and here given 10 parts. So angle between these angle of this sector is can be acquired dividing 360 by 10, so 36 degree. Area of each sector is equal to 36 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Putting the value of all the things, we can find the value of area of the sector 385 by 4 millimeter square, and it is a required answer. Next example, question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So here you can see two blades of 25 centimeter length, and it swept at angle 115 degree, as you can see in the figure. So it swept this area, and this area are similar to this area of sector. So just we find the area of this sector and we multiply by 2, so we can find the area swept by these two blades, as you can see in the figure. So we have the angle and also the radius, so we can put this value in the formula and we can multiply. So it can be observed that the figure that each blade of wiper will swept an area of sector of 115 in a circle of 25 centimeter radius. Area of such sector 115 divided by 360 into pi into 25 meters 25 square, and hence we can find 1581.25 divided by 252 centimeter square. Now it is area of one wiper. We want to find area swept by two wiper, so we multiply by 2 this blade. So after then we can find 1,58,125 divided by 126 centimeter square. It is the area of the wiper swept by it. So if you want to find the area of this fractional in decimal point, you can also find that. Now here given that a round table covered has 6 equal design as shown in the figure. As you can see here, you can find here design 6 design, as you can see in the figure, and rounded shape. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, means its radius is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter. So first we have to find the angle subtended by this chord at center, and also we find area. We know that it is a segment, it is one type of segment, and so it is 6 segment. If you want to find the value of this segment, just we draw a radius and we find the value of sector and we subtract the area of this angle triangle, so we can find the value of segment. So just let's find the solution. You can see in the figure there are 6 sector as you can see, and A, B, C, D, E, F, and here 6 parts are equal. So if you want to find angle subtended at center by the each chord, just here given 6 parts, so we divide 36 degree by 6, so we can find the angle here 60 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. So just it can be observed that this design are segment of these circles. Consider segment APB. Just we take one sector APB. Chord AB is the side of the hexagonal. Each chord will substitute 360 degree divided by 6 is 60 degree at the center of the circle. In triangle OAB is equal to angle OAB is equal to angle OBP. It is obvious. Why? Because OA is equal to OB. It is a isosceles angle triangle. As we know that it is isosceles triangle. So this opposite angle of the radius are equal. And we know that AOB is of 60 degree. AOB of 60 degree. So angle OAB plus angle OBA plus AOB is equal to 180 degree. Here we know that angle OAB and angle OBA are equal, so we can write 2 times angle OAB is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is 120 degree. Hence, triangle OAB is of 60 degree, means the 3 angles of this triangle are equal, means it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So that we know that the area, how can we find the area of equilateral triangle? We have the formula that area of equilateral triangle OAB is equal to square root 3 by 4 into side square. This is the formula to find the area of equilateral triangle. So just put the value all. So here we can find the value of triangle OAB, that is 333.2 centimeters square, approximately answer. Now let area of a sector OAPB is 60 degree by 360 into pi r square, that hence we can find 1232 divided by 3 centimeter square. Now we want to find the area of 6 segment. So we just find first one segment, the area of one segment, that the area of a segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Subtracting all this, we have such a type of equation. Now we know that the area of, here given 6 design, so there are 6 segment. So area of design will be 6 into the area of one segment centimeter, that is 240. After multiplying 6 in this bracket, we find 2464 and minus 1999.2 centimeter square, and after then we find the area of this design, 6 design are 464.8 centimeter square. So by this way we can find such examples, solve such example using the sector and segment of the circles. So solve the now cost of 1 centimeter square designs is equal to rupees 0.35. So we have the area to design, that cost of making 464.76 centimeter designs is equal to 464.8 into 0.35 into, that is equal to rupees 162.68. Therefore, the cost of making such design is rupees 162.68 rupees. By the sense, we can solve such questions from exercise number 12.2. There are given equation number 4, 5, 6, 10 and 12. Such type of this example you can solve by it yourself. Just try to solve it. And if you have any doubt, then you can discuss it with